morning students. Today we are going to see about writing junction. Already we have seen in grammar topic we have seen the pronoun, right? So in pronoun only we are going to see it in a writing junction. In writing junction we are going to see about the pronoun only, okay? So already we are seeing the lesson 3 learning together, is it right? So I have written a passage, some of the words I have underlined. So for that word you have to write the pronoun, okay? This is an exercise and this is a passage. First I will read out the passage. After that, by seeing the underlined word we can do the exercise, okay? First I am reading the passage, okay? This is Rama. Rama has two friends, Gaya and Kusain. Gaya and Kusain help Rama read books. Gaya loves painting. Gaya paints lovely pictures. Kusain likes to read adventure stories. Kusain has a lot of books. Kusain has a lot of books, okay? Kusain gives Rama Kusain's books to read, okay? Kusain gives Rama Kusain book, that is his book only, Kusain's book to read. Rama, Gaya and Kusain have a lot of fun together, okay? This is a passage from a learning together. Now certain nouns I have underlined the certain nouns, okay? What are the nouns I have underlined? Rama, Gaya and Kusain. Rama, Gaya, Kusain, Kusain, Kusains, and Rama, Gaya and Kusains. So I have underlined these words. Why I have underlined these words? So these underlined words are the noun. So in order to avoid the repetition of a Gaya, Kusain and Rama, we are going to do the exercise of the pronoun. So instead of the noun, we are going to fill out the pronoun. So why we are using the pronoun? So in order to avoid the repetition of the same noun, we are using the pronoun. Here always see here Rama, Gaya, Kusain, Kusain, Kusain and Rama, Gaya, Kusain. They are coming. While reading you will feel somewhat bored. So in order to avoid the repetition of the same noun, now we are going to do the exercise of the pronoun, okay? Look at the underlined words. Underlined word means here from the passage you have to see the underlined words, okay? Replace them with pronoun. So for the underlined word you have to replace the pronoun, okay? Some of the pronouns are given here. So in the box they are given the some of the pronouns. So with the help of these box have to fill up these blanks, okay? With the help of these box pronoun. What are the pronouns are given? She, they, her, he, his. So here they are given pronoun list. So from the box only you have to fill this by seeing the underlined words, okay? First what they are telling? This is Rama, dash has two friends. So here the underlined word is Rama, okay? So she's a girl. So you have to write she to that, okay? This is Rama. Here the underlined word is Rama. So Rama is a girl. So you have to mention the pronoun as she, okay? Students, please copy down these things in your notebook, okay? She has two friends, that is Gaya and Kusain, okay? Next one, Gaya and Kusain. So they are mentioning about the two numbers. If they are mentioning about two numbers, have to use the pronoun they, okay? They help Rama. So here again they are mentioning a Rama. So you have to put her. They help her. Okay, they help her read books. Okay. So they, why we are putting they? So Gaya and Kusain, two numbers are there. So only we are putting they. For the Rama we are putting a her. Okay, already we have put then the pronoun she. Again we are repeating. If we are again repeating the same noun, we have to put the her, okay? They help her read books, okay? Next one, Gaya love painting. Gaya love painting. Gaya paints lovely picture. So here the underlined word is Gaya. First time they are mentioning about the Gaya. So I have to put the pronoun she. Okay. She paints lovely picture. Okay. For Gaya we are using the pronoun she. She paints lovely picture. Kusain like to read adventure story. Kusain like to read adventure story. Next one. Kusain has lot of book. Okay, Kusain has lot of book. Here the underlined word is Kusain. First time they are mentioning about the Kusain, so I have to put the pronoun as he. Okay, he. He has lot of book. Okay, the next one. Kusain gave Rama Kusain's books to read. Okay, so again they are mentioning about the Kusain, so I have to put the pronoun as he only. Okay, he gives Kusain's book. Whose book? Kusain's book. Again they are mentioning about the pronoun. Again they are mentioning about Kusain, so I have to put his book. Okay, have to put his book. He gave Rama his book. Okay, his books to read. Okay, he has lot of book. Okay, who has lot of book? Kusain has lot of book. Kusain, that is he. Okay, he gives Rama his books to read. Okay, so again they are mentioning about Kusain's apostrophe yes. So you have to put his book. Avanudeya book. Okay, so I have to put his. The next one, dash have fun together. Here what they have underlined? Rama, Gaya and Kusain. They are talking about a three person. More than two means you have to put the they. You have to use the pronoun they. Okay, then you have to put they. They have a fun together. Okay, this is what? This is Rama, she. She is a pronoun here. She has two friends, Gaya and Kusain. They is the pronoun. They help her. Her is the pronoun here. Read books. Gaya loves painting. She paints lovely picture. Here she is the pronoun. Kusain likes to read adventurous story. Okay. He has lot of book. He is the pronoun. He gives Rama his books to read. Okay. His are the pronoun here. They have a fun together. So here they refers to Rama, Gaya and Kusain. They are mentioning about a three person. If they are mentioning a more than two means, I have to use the pronoun they. Okay. Today we have seen the pronoun. I hope you understand the pronoun. Please copy down these things in your notebook. Thank you.